इंट्रोडक्शन करें। एक दो थोड़ी थोड़ी इब्तिदाई रस्म। वालिदैन किस तरह से हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट टीचर आज के बांडीपोर डैडी बांडीपोर वालिदैन कोशिश की जा रही है इसको हम खेलों में मजबूर रखें। खेल में इसको हम बोलते हैं कि
in government schools, there are well qualified and trained teachers. The government schools are well developed in all respects. The um, uh, the government school teachers teach the students with zeal, zest, and deep enthusiasm. In government schools, there are the facilities available in government schools are not found in private schools, such as free books, free uniforms, free schooling, free midday meals.